Hi, I'm Lily, and I'm 44, and I started joining R3 this year, actually in February, and I was a caregiver. I am a caregiver. I have a 15-year-old daughter who is has cerebral palsy, but when she was born, I'm her mom. Got to take care of her, take care of my in-laws, take care of me because in the process, I was fine. So um, basically, everyday struggles of motherhood, of being a wife, a mother, and everything that comes along with the territory. So, along with that, of course, the get weight gain and the negativity of yourself, the way you look and stuff like that. But I came across R3, and that was God's fix. That's what had been asking God. I need something to change. I need to, I to get it out of this routine. I need to change my whole lifestyle. And R3 was the answer. Ever since I've been on there, I mean, I started this year, 2021, in February. In 2 months, I lost a pant size, and that is with the personalized meal planning to your needs, the exercise, showing up, doing it every single day. It's 30 minutes, 30, 45 minutes, no big deal. It's on the thing. It's on your phone, you pause it, you do what you need to do, come back and redo it. And I saw results. I mean, I saw inches coming off. And now I'm outside taking a walk. I'm not a runner, I walk, but it feels good. It clears my mind. In the past, I would have opted out for a million reasons, million excuses of why I shouldn't be doing, walking, exercising. I find something to do otherwise. And look at me now, here, and I'm just thankful.